Over here, we will learn how to prove trigonometric identities and solve trigo equations. So what's the identity? It's an equation that is true for all angles or all values of theta. So just a quick recap. So if let's say it's an equation that is true for all values of theta, you've learned before in Sec 2 on algebraic identity. So for example, you have your a square minus b square is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So this is an algebraic identity where the left side is equals to the right hand side. So over here we have some of these formulas. This formula will be given to you. Let me run through some of these identities that we have to memorize, which is tangent theta equals sine theta over cos theta. Likewise, for cotangent theta is 1 over tangent theta, and if I put in the sine theta over cos theta, we get cos theta over sine theta. We have the Pythagorean identities over here, this one, and here are some basic rules for simplifying trigonometric expressions. Okay, you can read it yourself. So I will put it into 4 strategies. The first one is always start from the more complicated side. Strategy 2 will be to use the reciprocal trigo functions, the identities, Pythagorean identities, and also perhaps some of the addition formula or double angle formula that is given to you. So how to remember the reciprocal trigo functions? Okay, we can think about it like cousins. So example, you are cousin of another person. Oh, secant x is a cousin of cosine x. So secant x, the s and the c is two different letters. So secant x 1 over cosine x. Cosecant x is like the cousin of sine x, which is equals to 1 over sine x. Likewise for cotangent x is 1 over tangent x. So strategy 3 will be to combine as a single fraction two terms into one term, something like this, or one term into two terms, where we split them into two terms. Or we might apply the algebraic identities like algebra that we've learned previously, which is the same when it comes to trigo. So for example, let's say we have a plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square. We can apply the same way, which equals 1 plus cos x times 1 minus cos x, which is equals to 1 minus cos square x. If you apply the third algebraic identity.